CHAT GPT AI. CHAT GPT is a state-of-the-art artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI, based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. As a language model, it is designed to process and generate natural language, allowing it to carry out a wide range of tasks such as answering questions, completing sentences, and generating text. The architecture of CHAT GPT is based on a deep neural network with multiple layers of processing. This allows it to learn from large amounts of data and develop an understanding of the patterns and structures of natural language. Its advanced language processing capabilities allow it to handle complex sentences and understand the context of words and phrases, making it capable of generating coherent and meaningful text. ChatGPT has been trained on a vast corpus of text data from a variety of sources, including books, articles, and websites. This has enabled it to develop a broad knowledge base and a deep understanding of a wide range of topics. This knowledge is continually updated and refined through ongoing training and refinement of the model. One of the key strengths of ChatGPT is its ability to interact with humans in a natural and conversational way. Its advanced natural language processing capabilities enable it to understand the nuances of human language, including slang, idioms, and cultural references. This makes it well-suited to a wide range of applications, from customer service chatbots to language translation tools. In summary, ChatGPT is an advanced language model that can generate natural language and interact with humans in a conversational manner. Its powerful language processing capabilities and broad knowledge base make it a valuable tool for a wide range of applications.